What's good, y'all? Alicia King here. Long time no video. Surprise, surprise. So I've been gone for a minute. I'm back now, and I just wanted to film this beautiful look. I think it's beautiful. I think it's beautiful. So I'm going to do like a little chit chat, get ready with me, to let y'all know where I've been at and what I plan on doing. So what I plan on doing with this YouTube situation going on. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. So guys, I am back and I'm going to do a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm going to be using the Juvia Place Mascarade palette, and I'm just going to talk to you guys while I do my makeup. Everything that I'm using will be listed below, so in case anybody wants to see how I did this. Long time no video. I have just been going through it. I have been traveling. I've been taking care of my mental health. School's taking over. So right now it was a lot of things happening, you guys. So for one, I was kind of going through a depression. And when I say that your mental health is the most important thing in your life, I mean it. Because basically my husband was gone for 9 months and my grandmother had passed away at the same time. And I just, been kind of going through it. Like, I was dealing with being strong for my husband. I was just trying to be strong for myself while I was finishing school up, finishing some classes rather. And it just got hard, and I just fell off of YouTube. I fell off of social media just in general. And basically my husband came back, surprised me for my birthday. So I don't remember exactly what I was saying because my camera decided to stop recording. So I'm going to start paying closer attention to that. But I was basically just letting you guys know that I was just going through a lot at the beginning of this year because, my grandmother passed away, my husband was gone. And now that my husband came home and we got to go on our honeymoon / 1 year anniversary together, now that I'm in a better space mentally, I feel like I can start recording, and I just wanted to know like what you guys want to see. I want to start vlogging because my Cancun vlog did really well. Maybe we can do car vlogs or me out and about running errands, and we could just talk about whatever you guys want to talk about. So like, I've been getting a lot of questions on like being a military spouse, and I've been getting a lot of questions on just makeup in general. And it's about time that I start getting in gear, because this is just really fun for me to go online and meet girls that have the same interest in me, and we could share our tips and tricks with each other. Like, I don't plan on just being, super famous and I want free makeup and all this weird stuff. Like, I actually want to build friendships and network and meet people that have the same interests as me. I feel like my online friends have been a little closer to me than, my friends in real life. So like the older I get, the more and more like inspired I get to do different type of videos, I guess. Like I'm into like interior designing now, and one day me and my husband are gonna, you know, buy our home, and I want to make videos about that. July and August are always the busiest months for me because in my family, everybody wants to have a birthday in July. I'm always traveling out of state in August because then everybody wants to get married or have birthday parties and barbecues, and kids are out for the summer. Like and families want to go on trips. Like it is just such a busy month. So everybody's going on this keto diet, and it's like low-key super annoying because I feel like that's what everybody talks about all the time. But I want to go on a diet, and I noticed that when I was in Cancun, I lost like 7 pounds because I was swimming a lot and I wasn't eating like crap. So I kind of like, when I get to where I'm going, I have access to a pool and a gym, and I want to meal prep and eat clean and just really focus on, you know, losing weight, because I actually have the resources to do it. Like I want to go on my diet during like my vacation, because I'm gonna have so much time to slack that I know if I don't start eating right while I'm out there, I know I'm just gonna gain a whole bunch of weight, because my husband feeds me so well and he's gonna be trying it. So I just want to go out there knowing that I have a goal, and it's to like start getting on track, so then once I come back to reality, it won't be so hard to transition. I don't want to just be eating like crap and not working out while I'm out there, and then I get back and I have more weight to lose than when I started, if you know what I mean. So that's my goal. My goal is to lose 15 more pounds and I will be at my goal weight. So it's not like I have a lot to lose, or it's not like I have a lot to go. It's just that I don't want to lose water weight and then gain it all back, or like I'm trying to make this go away for good, you know? So being consistent with YouTube and working out and losing weight is like my goal for the rest of the year. I pretty much done everything I wanted to do. My husband came home. My mind is right. So now I'm ready to really get serious in all the things that I'm trying to do. So I'm gonna add some eyeliner and some lashes, and I will be right back. thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.